Good afternoon everyone, this is Tathi Fatima. Welcome you all to our Alpha's Robotics Lab. I am from class 4th. My model shows you an inclined plane ramp. This model explains the principle of an inclined plane. It shows the difference in the effort required to lift a heavy object on a ramp than lifting it straight up. We observe that less force is needed to move a heavy object on a ramp than lifting it straight up. Thank you for your attention.
Good afternoon. My name is Kartya Abdullah Ammar from class 4B. Today I am here to present a basic car model. This model demonstrates the concept of rectangular motion. It means an object moves in a straight line. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, a warm welcome to our robotics lab. I am Ilekar Mohammed Siddiq from class 4th. This model name is Make Me Fast and Make Me Slow. This shows the process of care being used to make the thing slow and fast. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Fakin Shafaraz. I am from 8th standard and this is my model. This is Rick and Ponian lift. This is commonly known as elevator and construction lifts and also robotics because it provides smooth movements and accurate movements. Thank you.
Good morning. This is counterbalance. Counterbalance the balance created when two weight or force is equally on opposite sides, keeping the object stable on a balanced beam. If you put the same weight on both sides, it stays level. This is called counterbalance. If you remove any one tire, the entire structure will become unbalanced. In this concept, we learn about lever fulcrum load. A fulcrum is a fixed point upon which a lever moves to the load. See.
Good afternoon, sir. It's basically a line following robot. It follows the line drawn on the ground. It uses IR sensor to detect the line and DC motors to move. It also has microcontroller to perform its movement based on a sensor's reading. I'll show you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Mariam Karte. Welcome you all. The model name is Swing. This model demonstrates oscillatory motion, which is the movement of an object to and fro about its central position. The swing is a perfect example of this type of motion. Thank you everyone.
Good afternoon. I am Sheikh Habiba.
And I am Ansari Sadia.
Today our project is a software called Zakat Calculator made with EduBlock Python 3. So basically Zakat is 25% of our wealth which we have to distribute among poor. Let's see, if a person having a net worth of 4,80,000, then he has to pay rupees 12,000 for Zakat. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. These are all the projects we have created in the summer camp of robotics conducted in our school.
This is Ludo Sawmill. The principle of the sawmill by combining the transmission of the motor gear with the connecting rod. It cleverly make use to the principle of mechanical transmission to transmit the power of small figure to make it work. This is DIY car and this is aerodynamic car. Zen.
This is DIY levitation ball. The switch motor is turned on to drive the fan blade to blow a bunch of airflow upwards, and the foam ball with lighter mass is placed at the air inlet to be blown upwards. This is challenge ladder, DIY magic window, wind rider water resistor. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Najim Muhammad Abdullah from standard 7P. This model is monorail. We use rack and pinion to make this model. The concept we are going to learn here is rotational motion, which is the movement of an object by spinning around a fin line. Here, rotational motion of motor converted into linear motion is called conversion of motion. A mechanism that converts rotational motion into linear motion is called linear actuator. And this model is working as this.
Hello everyone, I am Arman from Standard 7. This model is very good. When we switch on it, the robot's hand starts moving. So the concept we will learn with this model together. Torque. It demonstrates the basic weaving process used to make clothes, and it is also used in factories to reduce the human efforts. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Anahil Mohammad Salim from Standard 6. The model which I am representing is power press machine, which is widely used to make an object from metal sheet like cutlery, etc. The concept we are going to learn in this reciprocating motion. Thank you.
Good afternoon. This is BMI calculator. This software is made in Educat Python 3. It asks you for your height and weight, and it tells your BMI. It also tells you whether you are healthy, obese and overweight.
If we have a person whose height is 1.65 and the weight is around 50 kg, it will directly show us if the person is obese, overweight, underweight or healthy. Thank you.